Hi, my name is Carl and I'm a cybersecurity engineer and IT specialist with 6+ years of experience in network security, SIEM monitoring and IT support. I specialize in vulnerability assessment, system hardening, risk analysis, and secure infrastructure management. I hold industry-recognized certifications, including Cisco, Certified Network Associate, CyberOps Associate, Linux Administration, Advanced Cybersecurity. These certifications validate my expertise in network security, system administration, and cybersecurity best practices. My core skills include cybersecurity and threat detection, SIEM, Splunk, Nessus, risk analysis, OWASP, NIST, network security and system hardening, Firewalls, IDS, IEPS, cloud security, IT systems optimization and automation, Linux, Windows, virtualization, Bash and Python scripting, secure development and programming, self-scripting, PHP, Java, Python, technical support and troubleshooting, fast problem resolution and user assistance. I have helped businesses secure their infrastructure, prevent cyber threats, and optimize IT operations by implementing best security practices, monitoring threats, and enhancing system reliability. Also offer predefined cybersecurity and IT services through Upwork's project catalog. This means clients can hire me instantly without going through a lengthy proposal process. With these services, you can quickly enhance your cybersecurity posture and protect your digital assets effectively. If you're looking for a cybersecurity specialist who can help you secure your infrastructure, improve your IT operations, and develop security automation, let's connect. Feel free to reach out to me on Upwork, check out my project catalog, and let's work together to secure and optimize your IT environment. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to working with you soon.